Hi everyone, today's video is a glueless lace wig application. This wig that I will be sharing for today's video comes from Ririhair. This wig does come with everything you need to apply your wig without doing anything to it. The texture of the wig I'm going to be applying today is a yaki texture, and it does come with this adjustable band in it. This is something that companies are doing now, so you won't have to sew your own elastic band in there. So it has like these hooks where you can adjust it to make it fit, and you don't need to glue this wig down. It also has the combs on the inside for easy application, and as you can see, the knots are already bleached. So I'm going to apply this wig and show you guys exactly how it would look if you purchase this wig without doing anything to it. So straight out the box, this is how the hairline looks. This is how everything looks. I'm just going to cut off the extra lace. Now, the elastic band that's sewn in there, I find is very convenient for giving you a really snug fit, but it is an inconvenience around the ear area because it is like a lump there, and it's hard to pull the wig down because that part of that elastic where the hooks are is a bit bulky. So I find that when companies do put that in there already, that's the problem that I have with it. So as far as styling this wig, since it does not have any baby hairs, and since the lace color is a little bit darker, I am going to add baby hairs to kind of hide that lace and just make the hairline look a little bit more natural. And I have not done anything to this wig. I have not bleached the knots. The knots come bleached. So whatever you see is how it comes. I have not tweezed the hairline on this wig, so this is the hairline that you will receive if you purchase this wig. I'm just going to kind of touch it up a little bit around the hairline, just adding some baby hairs and creating my parting, just to show you how fast you can actually get this wig to style without doing much to it. So you guys can watch this and I'll be back later. So that is it. This is how the wig is applied straight out the box. I did not wash it. I did not bleach the knots. It comes exactly as you see. So if you guys are interested in this wig from Ririhair, I will link it below in the description box, and also all the products that I use from today's video will be linked down there. And yeah, I like the texture. The texture is really soft. I have not washed it yet again, but if you are looking for a nice yaki texture, then here you go. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.